Hello friends, myself Vishwanathan Das. I am working in R&D CET Limited and I am a participant of PG Camp Batch 9. So when I am talking about MIQ, when I entered into the MIQ, it's like still to me a Gurukul where staying food classrooms are very good. The faculties are having a lot of experience to take ahead. Their experience and the course is designed like that. It is started with the basic quality control tools, what is quality, how can manage quality, what is the role of top management and all those kind of stuff. After that, going from basic quality control tools, how can I approach the QC story, approach for systematic problem solving, we are going into the modern tools or the advanced tools what nowadays people are using, that is DOE, sign-in DOE, classical DOE, then systematic problem solving by Six Sigma, all this kind of stuff. Except that they are having also giving a all-round experience in the total area like sales, marketing, finance. What are the things? How the quality management or total quality management can be applied. Apart from this, not only in the classrooms we are having experience of theory, we are having experience also the practical sessions by doing some games or having practical experience what people are have solved those problems, that kind of stuff. Then coming to not only in the classes, outside the classes means their phases, they are divided into the different phases. In the phases when there is a break, we are going to our places, our company means individual company, and they are doing a live project for solving those problems, the use of the tools, how systematically that can be solved. So this is the like the course content, how it is going. It is a very good course. In fact, I will tell. Apart from that, there made one more initiative like SLT, that is self learning team, where people are made into groups where they can discuss about their problems, how the company is doing, how they faces many problems, how they have solved it. Means it is a group interaction, how you can get the communication skills, all those things. Apart from this also they are having one more holistic development program where you can develop yourself, that is the attitude development, and also how you can communicate with the peoples, how you can uh, having a very good relationship building, all those kind of things. Then coming to the overall session like there is factory visit, daily hour at companies where we are experiencing, and there is interaction with the people where we'll come to know how people are working to achieve all those things. Then lean manufacturing, what is lean, how lean is applicable, how Toyota made that successful. Then all the gurus from the India also, the masters from the India also, and the outside like Japanese, from Japan, they are also coming and sharing how Deming, they approaches Deming, how what are the difficulties they faced, how it is a systematic approach, how companies should grow by using this kind of tools. Thank you.